Hey guys, Tom at Fayette Trailers. I'm out here in our outer lot where I keep the dump trailers and the equipment, deckover trailers and deckover tilt trailers. Just to give you a perspective, we have close to 70 dumps in stock right now, close to 30, 35 deckovers. And of course, we keep some used trailers out here too. We got about a dozen of those and about a dozen enclosed trailers. Just to give you a perspective, I want to get you up in the air to show you how many trailers we actually have.